Are you finding that your important emails, when you send them, aren't going to the inbox, they're going to the spam folder instead? Well, this could be because of the Spamhaus XBL blacklist, and this could be overall stopping and decreasing your overall email deliverability and affecting your email sender reputation. And in this video, we'll look at simple steps that you can take, such as using Warmy's email deliverability test, which is completely free, which will give you this information which you can then act on, amongst other steps that you can take to delist your IP and get your emails back to where they need to be, which is the inbox. Spamhaus XBL is a real-time list of IP addresses that have been flagged and added to the blacklist because they're seen potentially as spam. For example, this could be with malware or open proxies. And if this is the case that your IP has been blacklisted in this manner, then you will find that your overall email deliverability, such as email marketing campaigns, will be heavily affected by this. And it's been found that up to 21% of all legitimate emails sent that are blacklisted never make it to the inbox. They go to the spam, or they get lost, or they end up bouncing. This then hurts your overall email performance, affects your engagement rate, affects your sender reputation, and your overall email deliverability, which is something, again, you don't want to be the case. So let's fix this by delisting your IP from the Spamhaus XBL. The first step is you want to go to the Spamhaus website. You want to go there, and when you're on their page, you want to use their IP lookup tool to see if your IP has been blacklisted. Once you've seen your IP and then the reason as to why it is listed there in the first place, again, this could be anything to do with spam, suspicious activity, or anything like that. If the issue is malware, use trusted and safe and well-regarded antivirus companies, software, or solutions to fix this issue. If it is an open proxy, then you want to make sure that you close down any of these ports or open services. If it is an open proxy, on the other hand, then you want to close down any vulnerable ports or services. Once this is fixed, you want to request a removal by submitting a delisting form. Once you've fixed the issue, you want to request a removal, and you can do this through the Spamhaus Removal Center. And again, there are alternative ways of checking this as well, to check your overall email deliverability. And here at Warmy, we offer a free email deliverability test where, again, you can go through all of this. Once you have done the test, you're presented with your finished results, and you can also download your results where you can see for yourself where there are any issues and then take effective action. The link to this is in the video description down below. By delisting your IP and fixing your root cause, this will overall optimize your email sender reputation, your email deliverability. Now that you've fixed this issue and you want to prevent this from happening to you again, make sure to follow these measures. You need to regularly scan your system for any vulnerabilities, malware, or viruses. You need to keep your passwords unique, strong, and above all, secure, making sure that you are the only person who knows them, or if you do share them with anyone else, you make sure you can trust them. You need to make sure as well that you have the latest software updates, so you know that any software you're using is protected with the latest available technology. You want to close any open proxies, making sure that your network is safe. And then finally, you want to make sure to constantly and consistently monitor your IP, making sure that you prevent any issues from taking place in the first place. You basically catch it early and stop an issue ever becoming an issue. So if you want to make sure that your IP is clean and off any blacklists, then sign up for your 7-day free trial, because here at Warmy, you can optimize your overall email deliverability. And again, you can make sure that you are never on any blacklists. And with our cutting edge technology, along with Adeline AI, you will be made aware of any issues before they even become a problem. And because of this, you know that your email deliverability is always well optimized, knowing that your emails aren't going to the spam, they are going to the inbox, which is where they need to be. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.